Alright guys, so right now we're headed to a car meet. We'll see what's up. We took the 5-0. I don't know how it's gonna be, but it's a little nighttime meet. Maybe we get some Mexico action after, we'll see. But we'll catch you guys when we get there.
So I have a fat ass.
Where's your lights, G?
I have a fat ass in the back, don't worry. I just hate it.
Oh my god. Okay, where's your lights? I know. I thought they were installed, G.
Nah.
Oh my god.
Is that Matt House? Looks like Matt House's old car. Exactly like it is his old car.
What the?
Oh, Ice Rocket.
Oh my god. Yeah, we're out this one. It's wrapped, dude. It looks hella clean. Look at this. Well setup.
SRT though, bro.
You know?
How does it sound? Does it sound good?
Ignore that
Man,
bag.
that shit's V8?
Yeah, definitely.
Out shit and brakes. Actually, where the f is your car?
Who?
Oh, your car's right there.
What?
You need some big.
Super?
Hey, let me put a Hot Wheel in your roof.
You're alive, bro.
For the one
That's what I
time.
just said.
What the hell? You're lying, bruh.
Go for it, do it. I can't.
What? I'm scared, bruh. What is?
Go up in your car right here.
Is it?
Yeah.
You guys traded or what?
You want to see my car, right?
Damn, what the hell?
You want to see my car?
Dude. Bro?
Come check this out. Hey, look.
So you
upgraded a little bit.
Look at this interior. This interior
Damn.
is cleaner than the Cobra. Look at
Look at the back seat there.
there's definitely a water bottle back there.
Hey, look. Look at this. Look how clean it is right here.
What the?
Look at that. Tell me how clean it is. Let me just start it.
It has a 1990 alarm, so it's a little couple steps to get it started.
We gonna swap the wheels onto this or not?
Nah, they're gonna even train. One thing out.
True.
Oh.
Damn. Damn, boy. Joel? New news? I think it's definitely time to start rolling in a V8 though, that's for sure.
What do you think, Matt?
Hey, well, you know what? I almost took out Mikey's WRX.
With this?
With this.
No way.
No.
Introduce us to the new Fox, Joel. This was unexpected events, but
Alright, so
what year?
this is my
Yeah. Let's work our way up. All right, so we started off with the GT500, and then we went to.
so this is the car you guys are used to seeing right here.
Yep. I mean, it's been it's been in the videos though, bruh.
Look, this garbage,
I know, we
man.
just switched that
We
shit,
literally
too.
just switched it. Hey, so your speedo gauge works now. Just did the clutch cable too. Look at this. Cobra brakes right here, alright? I spent time doing that. Look, my Abraham
know.
helped me too, and then look at this right there. Coney orange shocks.
Hella progress though, bruh. Like I feel it's cool that you're getting the new whip, but like I remember you working on this shit. You know, like
Oh, I spent a lot of time.
hella work went into it.
Nice experience for the other one.
That's what I'm saying. So like
How many-
100,000 miles.
That one has less hours than your Cobra.
Straight up. No, this
No,
one,
yeah, the Cobra.
This one probably has like 195,000 to 295,000.
Really?
Oh yeah, it has 196.
So what's the issue with this one, bruh? Like,
Hey, every time I come to fix something, something else breaks.
Yeah, we fixed one thing and then like the still pumping out.
Maybe it's just not meant to live. Low key, like
Joel just has bad luck. I don't know.
just like my transmissions.
Maybe. Both you guys are cursed.
I know, for real.
Go to church or something.
Go to church.
No, it's a lot of stuff. But...
So this.
No, look at the chair. I
yeah,
mean,
no,
it's
okay,
cool,
look,
but-
compare it. I mean, it's not the worst, but it's also it's
yeah.
definitely not near the best at all. But you know, just look at it. It's not like the other one. Look at the seats. It's not like that. And check this out, right? Like a lot of people don't realize this. Look, come here. Zoom in on this, Alex, come here.
What?
Oh, don't worry about that.
I put a in there.
I know earlier.
Hey, look. See this right here?
Yep.
There's no mirror right
What the
here.
hell?
Look at these. See this? Yeah, right?
Hey, what the hell? Don't
Hey, look. See that? No, the other one doesn't have that. Alright?
I mean, just it for an example. He's like, this one doesn't have it. Now this one does.
You know,
for the one time.
It was hard. My first
It's hard.
love.
It's a come up.
It's the first love, but...
You learn how to roll fenders? That one's fucked up. This is all good.
Hey, tell me, I started on that side.
Yeah.
And then I came this side. I was like, I mean, it's not perfect, but I got way better at this side.
So I saw a poll on Abraham's story. You know, he said if he's gonna sell.
I don't even write it.
Yeah, Whipple money.
Yeah.
Might be
or
cool.
diaper money, who knows?
Yeah.
Depends who gets the money, me or my girl.
I mean, it's cool, but I don't know. I feel like nowadays it's all. I mean, bikes are cool. But like,
The choice is if you have people to ride with.
yeah. So Joel's car, you guys already heard it. Sadly, the primered 5.0 has come to an end, and he's moving on to a little slight upgrade. I'm gonna miss it. What's up? Hey, let me try and get next to you, bro, so we get some roller clips in a little bit, bro. Okay, pull up with the new whip. For the one time or the two time? Damn, that throwout bearing though.
I know, I'm gonna switch it out soon.
Like whole clutch?
Huh?
The whole clutch too?
Nah, what you mean?
I don't know.
Fixed it already.
Is it really? It's a new clutch?
It's what's it called? It's what's that bug that chirps?
Cricket?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh no, ant. What the? Holy shit! What the? Is it him? Wow. Oh shit. Hey! Damn! Hey, that's cool. I definitely need downshift. Fuck are they at? God damn it!
Hey, you got loose one!
Too fast, bro. Hey, you hear the ProCHARGED, bro?
Oh, yeah.
I heard a ProCHARGED, dude.
Shit goes crazy though.
He's gonna mess. Yeah. That's what I told you, bruh. Where's the downshift? Oh, hey, we kept up with it.
That was close.
Oh,
Close as fuck.
oh, that's ProCHARGED. Hey, turn the heater up. Turn the heater up. Holy. Oh. Oh. That's